Foreign Royalty Clothing.
I got this red piece I made for my buddy Blood. Blood 065, appreciate you, brother. This red and blue joint, you know. Don't say keep it simple, but make it slick. So that's what I did, you did. Foreign Royalty Clothing, it's that red and blue joint. Bro, some Spider-Man shit. Follow me on all social media sites. I customize, I add the names, whatever you want, no additional charge. Just let me know.
Say yay.
Vintage collection. Black and dusty pink, golden Jordans. Heavy is the head that wears the crown, baby. Foreign Royalty Clothing Company. Shout out to my sister Mel. Appreciate you, Miss Upshaw.